Hi, good morning. And today I am going to discuss about power system economics and management. And in our power system is having generators, transmission and distribution. You already know. And if generators are there, so many generators are there, like different types of sources, thermal, solar, wind, tidal, nuclear. Like that, we are having so many different types of sources, and we need to get the economic generation. Our generation should be economic, means we need to generate the power with low cost. Okay, and which generator has to on, which generator has to off, and also which which generator has to run with how much capacity. Like some 100 megawatt power plant is there, means how much capacity it has to run, whether 80 or 50 or 60 or like that, which how much capacity of power it has to run. Okay, that is also we need to design, and based on the that capacity, the cost of generation is depend upon the capacity also. Like next, if you are going to the cost curves, means generator cost curves. Actually we are having a four cost curves on generators. One is fuel cost curve and heat rate curve, input output curve, and incremental curve. These are the four cost curves of the generators. Four curves. Okay. And what is fuel cost curve means? It is a cost of fuel used per hour. That is the how much fuel per hour in it. That is the cost curve. Okay. And heat rate curve. Heat rate curve is the plot of, actually it is in between the energy required per megawatt hour. Okay, generated electrical output for the generator. Okay, energy required per megawatt hour, how much energy is required per megawatt hour. Okay, and next is input output curve. Input output curve is how much heat input, if it is a thermal, like assume, and how much heat input and how much megawatt year we are getting. That is the in between the input out, that is input output curve. Okay, and incremental cost curve. You already know the input output curve. Okay, that is in between the input and output, that is heat versus megawatt output. And incremental cost curve means by multiplying, that is cost. Okay, input cost and output cost. And fuel cost is rupees per mbtu. That is fuel cost, that is input cost. And output cost, what is the unit cost, rupees per hour. Okay, that is the incremental cost. Okay, and utility functions. Next, power systems traditionally, we have known as vertically integrated utilities. Our utilities are, actually we have vertically integrated utilities. In this type, actually we are having a utilities means, like one is generation, transmission and distribution. Okay, these are the some utility functions. Okay, and that are controlled by some, these are very simple. These are simple, that coordination, operation and coordination is simple, because we can control generation, transmission and distribution by some operator. Okay, and the operational objectives were to provide quality power, voltage and frequency is constant. Okay, that should be constant. That is quality power. If it is varying means it's not quality. Okay, to a consumer with low cost economical, we need to provide the consumer this quality power with low cost. That is all. The price of power regulated based on a actual cost. Okay, Co- that price of the power is regulated based on the actual cost. Okay, and next is power exchange. Actually, in India, we are having a option like power exchange. We can exchange the power from one state to another state power exchange. And like power exchange means PX, and in India we are having a like Indian Energy Exchange, and also power exchange of India Limited. These are functioning these are functioning guidance from the Central Electricity Regulation Commission CERC. Okay, and what is that power exchange is mm, a market based. Actually, it's a market based. We are checking. Okay, identifying the where we are getting the low cost. Okay, and power exchanging facilities are equitable, transparent, and efficient trading of power. Okay, and bridges the demand supply mismatch, the bringing larger players. Like we want to exchange the power, or any we need to buy anything or sell anything. That is, we are giving a some auction based system. Okay, for the that is one of the option. And mm, while maintaining the complete anonymity, resolves the constraints in the earlier formats: switch costs, transition costs, and counterparty risk. These are the so okay. This is power exchange. Okay, power exchange or energy exchange. Okay, thank you.